Solving business challenges with Vsoft Labs. Microsoft Cloud Migration Case Study. Vsoft Labs worked with an American manufacturer of products for locomotives, freight cars, and transit vehicles. Headquartered in Pennsylvania. The company was using legacy support central applications that didn't allow for a centralized digital workplace. They were unable to include employee portals, adoption campaigns, governance plans, Center of Excellence, or workflows in one program. Vsoft Labs replaced the existing applications with a Microsoft Cloud-based solution, Office 365, and a host of other Microsoft Cloud-based tools. The team migrated large data sets from the old platform to the new Office 365 solution. They developed web and mobile-based workflows and dashboards that include real-time information, files, and documents that can be accessed from anywhere. This cloud solution allows employees and vendors to collaborate using any device, improving operational efficiency and increasing productivity by 46%. Real-time reporting dashboards streamline approval processes and automate previously manual tasks, improving service quality by 28%. Technologies applied include Office 365, Power BI, Power App, Power Automate, SharePoint Online, and SharePoint Designer. Learn more at vsoftlabs.com. Thanks for watching!